Hello traders, this is Head. Welcome to EduTraders YouTube channel. So there's a trade I gave on GBP/AUD. I think it's the one of the trades that was specifically taken on the concept of support and resistance manipulation. Though on the lower time frame perspective, that support and resistance, as I had said, that it was not such of a perfect manipulation of that zone, but it was there because I had seen this thing and it was in the concept of what I had taught here on YouTube before, and I just wanted to apply that thing on the live market. On the previous video, I had talked about this concept on the live. I had talked about this concept, and right now I applied it on the live market. So let's see how this trade ran. This is the result. So the trade came, just maybe starting briefing on why I took this trade. First, when we check on something like 4 time frame, you can see that the market was moving down, bearish impression here. On the 4 time frame, you can see that the favor lookup had been formed. Even the last day, we saw the market closed with a very strong daily bearish candle. We also had a favor lookup at that level, telling us that the market possibly still had an impression of continuing down further. So the moment the market started moving up during Asian, as also we are starting the London session coming up, and we are targeting at around this level for the market to give us a bearish impression. And how did I catch that? I think it was on something 30 minutes time frame. That's the time frame I used to draw the resistance. So on this resistance, I started seeing the characteristic of the market. The market started showing me a feature of a head and shoulder. You see, around this level here, the market showing me a characteristic of head and shoulder. So this was the left shoulder. Then we had the head. Then the right shoulder was around this level here. Then a trade was placed around this level. I was expecting the market to come to TP1, TP2, TP1, TP2. You see, and what did the market do? The market gave something like 30 pips from the top there to around TP1, gave something like a double bottom, mini double bottom there, and using that structure, the market was able to come up. So just basically talk on how this market ran and how I manage this trade. The first thing, even on my VPs, I told them to get out early because according to my model of trading, the moment I place an entry and then maybe the market is lagging around, I usually want the trade to run straight away. That's usually my model of trading. The moment I place a trade, I usually want it to show a sign of going toward the direction I'm talking about, especially when we are at the end of the shifting of time frame and things like that. Basically talking about 4 hour, 1 hour, something of that sort. So I saw the market lagging around this level, and we were able to get out around the entry point because that's not usually my model of trading. So basically talking GBP/AUD, we move out early around the entry points here, and then the market came later on, came up, and then moved to our TP1. It didn't manage to move to TP2, so we were not affected in any way on this guy. Even maybe for those maybe who retained it at around this level at break even, because the moment the market comes to TP1, usually break even. When the market come up, taking TP1, taking some profits, coming to TP1, taking you out at break even. So it didn't move to TP2. I can't say that it was fully successful, but at least you're able to maybe take something out of it. We didn't do that, but in case if someone maybe would have held it, it would have done that. But that's not the principle of my trading. I usually obey my rules, So there's something that I saw on the 4 hour. After that, sorry, on the 4 hour time frame, I saw something on the 4 hour time frame. The moment the third 4 hour candle, you can see it 1, 2, 3. The third 4 hour candle, you can see how this third hour it closed above this FVG, that inefficiency, the zone where I drawn that resistance. It was passing through this FVG. That 4 hour candle that closed to that zone, and even that's why even I told my VIP members to move out of this trade, because the moment this 4 hour candle closed beyond this FVG, probably the next thing I was thinking is that there's a possibility even of this market seeking this high, the liquidity on top of this zone here. It can be possible because even if it's come to that zone, the extreme high will be safe. It will just be taking that high before we see the bearishness coming in the market again. You see, and then we were able to get out very early because of that side. You see, because of that side. So that's how that trade went. In between, you can. That's how I manage trade specifically because I usually want my trade to move very fast. We moved out very early out of that trade. The trade that we were able to leverage on after that was basically GBP card. We had traded GBP card, and this is the guy that we were able to leverage on this move. Okay, there's also something I was teaching other people. Sorry for that, all those that on the chat. So this is the trade we were able to take TP1, TP2, something like, I don't know, something around 46 pips from this point to this point. This is the trade that we finished with after breaking even on GBPFD. So I was not able to, didn't record all of these things because they were not part of the what I want to talk about. The one that I want to talk about was this specifically because of the principle I applied on the manipulation of this structure with that head and shoulder. And then from that point, we're able to take TP1 before the price, maybe that time reversal, whatever it is. So that's it, traders. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be posting the next video on some concepts here and there that I've already taught on this YouTube channel. Ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell. So in case I produce any video, you'll be able to get it the right time. Also ensure you like, and in case if maybe there's any video you want me to record, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for staying until this moment. Let's meet in the next video, my people. Thank you.